Hello everyone, having trouble receiving calls on your Ultra mobile phone? Don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we will guide you through simple steps to fix the issue and get your phone working perfectly. Let's dive in. Network coverage. Poor self reception can prevent calls from coming through. Account status. If your account is suspended or not in good standing due to billing issues, this may restrict incoming calls. Device settings. Check if airplane mode is enabled or if call blocking settings are preventing calls from reaching you. VoLTE settings. Ensure that voice over LTE is enabled on your device as this can affect call connectivity on Ultra Mobile's network. Fix 1. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Ultra Mobile Coverage Map page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Fix 2. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart, press and hold either the volume button and the slide button, iPhone X and later, or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until the power off slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turn off, press and hold the side button on iPhone X and later or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Fix 3. Try resetting the network settings. The process can be a helpful troubleshooting steps when dealing with various network related problems on your iOS or Android device. For iOS, open the settings apps, go to general, then reset, then go to reset network settings. You may need to enter your device's passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping reset network settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configuration. For Android, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, scroll down to Reset or System, reset network settings or reset Wi Fi. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Settings. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. Fix 4. Check VoLTE settings. To ensure that Voice over LTE is enabled on your device for better call connectivity with Ultra Mobile, follow these steps based on your operating system. For iOS devices, go to Settings, tap on Cellular, select Cellular Data option, tap on Voice and Data, and ensure that either 4G or LTE is selected. If available, make sure the VoLTE option is turned on. For Android devices, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections. Depending on your device, select Mobile Network, choose Preferred Network Type and set it to 4G Preferred or LTE. Look for an option labeled Enable VoLTE 4G calling or HD voice and toggle it on. If you do not see this option, your device may not support VoLTE or you may need to contact Ultra Mobile for assistance. Check Ultra Mobile account status. Verifying your usage and payment is crucial to ensure you are aware of your account activity and avoid any potential issues. Method 1. Using app. Download the Ultra Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in and navigate to balances the bottom of the screen. Select plus sign near 5G or 4G LTE data or call to add extras. Alternatively, you can also navigate to dashboard at the bottom of the screen where you can see amount of data or call left. If necessary, click plus sign to add extras or click renew now to recharge your plan. Method 2. Using website. Go to Ultra Mobile website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to manage plan section. If necessary, recharge now to activate the SIM again. Manually register on network. If you are experiencing problems with cellular coverage or data connectivity, manually switching to a different available network may help resolve the issue. On iOS, go to Settings, then Mobile Data, go to Network Selection, then go to turn off automatic, select T-Mobile or Ultra Mobile from available list. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to SIM card and mobile network. Select the SIM, turn off automatically, select network, select T-Mobile or Ultra Mobile from available list. Fix 7. Check DND settings. You should check DND settings if you are not receiving calls because DND can silence incoming calls and notifications, preventing you from being alerted to important communications. On iOS, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen on iPhone X and later, or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone 8 and earlier. Look for the crescent moon icon. If it's illuminated, DND is active. Adjust settings, go to settings, then focus, then go to do not disturb to customized or turn it off. On Android, swipe down from the top of your screen, look for the do not disturb icon. If it's highlighted, DND is on. Adjust settings, go to settings, then go to sound and vibration. Do not disturb to customize or disable it. Fix 8. Contact customer support. Call Ultra Mobile's customer service at 1-888-777-0446 or dial 611 from your Ultra Mobile phone, or visit Ultra Mobile FAQ page. Scroll down to chat with live agent for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. You might need to replace the SIM to fix the error.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.